This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will help you connect your PS4 controller to your PC. Let's start with the simplest method, a wired connection. Just grab a standard micro USB cable and plug one end into your PS4 controller and the other into an available USB port on your computer. Make sure both ends are fully inserted. Your PC should automatically recognize the controller as a generic gamepad, and you'll be ready to play in moments. Now, for a wireless experience, let's set up your controller using Bluetooth. First, activate Bluetooth on your PC through the Windows Settings menu. Next, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the PlayStation button and the share button for about 3 seconds until the light bar flashes. Finally, select Wireless Controller from the list of available Bluetooth devices on your computer to complete the pairing process. To unlock your PS4 controller's full potential on PC, consider using DS4 Windows. This free application allows your PS4 controller to emulate an Xbox 360 controller, which many PC games natively support. Simply download and install the software, then connect your controller. DS4 Windows provides extensive customization options, letting you fine-tune button mapping, adjust sensitivity, and even create custom profiles for different games, giving you precise control. Once your controller is connected, it's time to configure it for Fortnite. Launch the game and head into the Settings menu. Make sure the input method is set to Controller within the game options. From there, you can adjust various settings like controller sensitivity, aiming acceleration, and dead zones to find what feels most comfortable for you. You can also customize button assignments to match your playstyle perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.